Hey everyone! Welcome to Secure CyberMart. If you've ever asked yourself, how do I start beginner coding? Or dreamed of going from coding beginner to advanced, you're in the right place. Coding is like learning a superpower. It lets you create apps, games, websites, and more. In this video, we'll take you from the basics to advanced skills, step by step. Whether you're into beginner coding in Python, Roblox coding, or even beginner coding jobs, we've got you covered. So grab your beginner coding laptop, and let's dive in. Let's start with a big question. Which beginner coding language should you learn? Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Python is a top pick for beginner coding. Its simple syntax makes it perfect for newbies, and it's used everywhere: web development, data science, you name it. Want to try game development? Check out beginner coding C++ or beginner coding Java. C++ powers game engines, while Java is awesome for apps. For web development, start with beginner coding HTML. It's the foundation of websites, and paired with CSS and JavaScript, you'll be building pages in no time. Don't overthink it, pick one and start. You'll go from coding beginner to advanced before you know it. Now, how do you learn? There are tons of resources out there. Love books? Grab a beginner coding book like Python Crash Course or Head First Java. They're packed with beginner coding lessons and projects. If you're into research, look for a beginner guide to coding qualitative data to learn how to analyze non-numerical information. Prefer online learning? Try a beginner coding course on platforms like Codecademy or Udemy. Many offer a Start My Free Trial option. Check these links out and start your free trial today. YouTube's a goldmine too. Follow a beginner coding channel like The Coding Train for Coding Train Beginner Tutorials. Podcasts like Code Newbie, a beginner coding podcast, are great for tips on the go. And if you're into enjoyable beginner coding games like Code Combat, you can make learning coding more interactive. No matter your language, English, Telugu, or Hindi, there's a resource for you. Before we move on, let's talk about some fantastic products to boost your coding journey. These are hand-picked resources and tools to help you succeed, from books to hardware. Amazon Affiliate Disclosure. The links below are Amazon affiliate links through Secure CyberMart, meaning we may earn a small commission if you purchase through these links at no extra cost to you. It supports the channel, so thank you. For Python learners, Python Programming for Beginners, the complete guide to mastering Python in 7 days with hands-on exercises, is concise, project-driven, and perfect for absolute beginners. Want more? Python Programming in SQL 5 books in 1 bundle combines Python basics with database skills, taking you from beginner to advanced. Java enthusiasts will love Java. Learn Java in 1 day and learn it well. It's Java for beginners with hands-on projects. It's ideal for quick learning with a hands-on approach. Prepping for interviews? Cracking the coding interview, 189 programming questions and solutions, is the gold standard. Then, the book Coding All-in-One for Dummies covers multiple languages in one trusted volume. On the hardware side, the Kana Kit Raspberry Pi 4 Complete Starter Kit, 4 GB, is great for Linux projects and IoT prototypes. It even includes a preloaded SD card. The Elegoo Uno Project Basic Starter Kit offers Arduino-based coding with over 190 components, while the DF Robot Beginner-Friendly Starter Kit for Arduino provides 12 hands-on projects. The SunFounder Beginner's Lab Starter Kit includes a multimeter and Arduino Uno R3 for coding and hardware skills. Upgrade your setup with the Keychron Q10 10-keyless wireless mechanical keyboard. Its compact design and Gatoron switches make coding comfy. Pair it with the BenQ Mobius X321UX32 monitor, featuring a coding mode and iCare Tech for sharp text and less strain. Check the description for all the links to these fantastic tools. Here's the secret. Practice makes perfect. Start with easy beginner coding projects. Into gaming? Try beginner coding Roblox with their Roblox Coding Beginner Guide, or build a simple Python game. Web curious? Create a site with beginner coding HTML. Test your skills with beginner coding problems on HackerRank or beginner Python coding challenges. Stuck on a concept? Search for Python beginner coding questions on forums like Stack Overflow. Messed up? No biggie. Beginner coding mistakes like typos are how you learn to debug. Need ideas? Good beginner coding projects include calculators or to-do lists. Java fans can try beginner coding projects, Java. The more you code, the better you get. Ready to level up? After completing beginner Python coding lessons or beginner Java coding lessons, dive into advanced topics. Python folks can explore data structures. Java learners can tackle multi-threading. Keep building! Turn beginner coding projects into complex apps. Learn Git for teamwork and decoding code. Join communities like Reddit's r/Learn Programming. It's like a coding sloth beginner support group. Coding isn't just enjoyable, it's a career path. Build a portfolio with beginner coding project work. Prep for beginner coding interview questions on LeetCode. Explore beginner coding jobs or niches like beginner medical coding. From coding beginner to advanced, the possibilities are endless. Get the right gear! A beginner coding laptop with 8GB RAM works fine. Use Visual Studio Code for coding. It's free and awesome. To become a Python expert, try PyCharm. And to become a Java expert, IntelliJ IDEA. Simple tools, big results. That's it. Your beginner guide to coding qualitative data and beyond. From beginner coding tutorial to pro tips, you're set. Kickstart your journey with our sponsored coding resources. Check the links below. Like this video? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and comment your favorite beginner coding practice. Happy coding and thanks for watching.